So this is Cream Cloud, guys. Cream Cloud perfume, and you know it's Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande. So guys, this is a Cream Cloud perfume, Ariana Grande inspired perfume, guys. Sobrang bango nito at sobrang legit, as in, promise. Pero as low as price nito, hindi siya naglo-long last. So sad kasi hindi siya naglo-long last yung bango niya. Pero sobrang bango talaga nito, guys, promise. Ayan, binili ko siya sa TikTok. Actually, ito, Cream Cloud. So tingnan natin. Ito siya, guys. Ito siya. Tcharan! Sobrang bango nito. Legit, guys. Kapag, kapag nabili nyo to, guys, super bango ng perfume. My gosh! Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung bango nito, guys. I hope magugustuhan nyo rin to kasi, parang vanilla perfume na, basta sweet siya, guys. Sweet perfume. Ayun, guys. Mabibili nyo to sa murang halaga lang. Pero, you will not gonna expect, guys, na magtatagal yung bango niya kasi, yun nga. Grabe siya, grabe. Eto, Cream Cloud. Super legit. Bilhin nyo na, guys. Don't forget to click the yellow basket there. Kunin na to, guys. Ayan, it's inspired by Ariana Grande. Ayan. Cream Cloud perfume, guys. Legit na legit. Double. I-click na yung yellow basket, guys. So, this is the Cream Cloud perfume, guys. And inspired by Ariana Grande. Ayan siya sa likod. Ayan. So, click na yung yellow basket dyan sa baba, guys. Ayan, kung gusto nyo makuha to. Super bango, super legit, guys. As low as 95 pesos only. So, Cream Cloud, guys, kunin nyo to for as low as 170 pesos, guys. Makukuha nyo na to. But, hindi kayo mag-expect na it will gonna be long-lasting ang bango niya. Kasi, yun nga, alam nyo naman kapag yun lang yung prices, yun lang nabibigay na bango, diba?